how to make braised dried tofu with all of vegetables from yesterday's share? If you have a leftover piece of tofu, why not use it to stir fry with celery?
The recipes from yesterday and today were actually filmed on the same day, and the store-bought dried tofu always comes in a 2-piece pack. This way, you get to enjoy 2 different flavors. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. The ingredients are very simple. Just dried tofu, celery, and carrots. Peel and julienne the carrots for later use. Adding carrots to stir-fries not only makes the dish more vibrant but also boosts its nutritional value. Separate the celery stalks from the leaves. Remove the fibrous strings from the stalks and slice them on a diagonal. The leaves can be cut into larger sections. Cut the dried tofu into thin slices and set aside. Once all the ingredients are prepped, heat the pan with cold oil, add a teaspoon of salt, and then pan fry the dried tofu until golden brown. Adding salt to the oil when frying dried tofu serves 3 purposes. First, it helps season the tofu more evenly, allowing it to absorb flavor from the outside in. Second, the salt promotes the formation of a crispy, golden brown crust on the tofu's surface. Third, it reduces all absorption, resulting in a lighter, less greasy dish. Once the dried tofu turns golden brown, add the carrot strips and celery, then stir-fry everything together. For seasoning, simply add salt and mushroom powder according to your taste. If you don't like mushroom powder, feel free to leave it out. If it gets too dry, add a small amount of water along the edge of the pan. This not only enhances the flavor of the vegetables, but also prevents them from becoming overly dry or greasy. Finally, add the celery leaves and stir-fry briefly before serving. The fragrant and delicious homemade stir-fried dried tofu with celery is now ready. Another simple and tasty recipe unlocked for everyone. The dried tofu is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, soaked in savory flavors. The celery is crisp and refreshing, with a subtle natural sweetness. The carrot strips add a touch of freshness and a tender, slightly chewy texture, creating a dish with rich layers of flavor that is perfectly savory and delicious. Savory with a hint of natural sweetness from the vegetables, the crispy dried tofu contrasts beautifully with the refreshing crunch of celery. The addition of mushroom powder enriches the flavor, making the overall seasoning well-balanced, light, and not greasy. It's a simple yet richly layered homemade delight. Celery is rich in dietary fiber and vitamins, aiding digestion and boosting immunity. It's low in calories and high in water content, making it ideal for weight management and hydration. Additionally, its natural antioxidants help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. As a soybean product, dried tofu is rich in high-quality plant-based protein, helping maintain muscle health and provide a sense of fullness. It contains active components like soy isoflavones, which offer potential benefits for hormonal balance and chronic disease prevention. Additionally, dried tofu is a good source of calcium and iron, supporting bone strength and blood circulation. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.